Hi, this is Nathan Meacher for the Info 4320 class, Rapid Prototyping. Here's my board, number 24. This is uh, motor controlled by or a fan controlled by a push button that inputs Morse code. Here's my circuit. So here's a zoom in. So see all that stuff on a big breadboard or whatever it's called. So you got everything. Zoom out. Okay, and then here's other breadboard. Smaller one, the diode, the other thing, the transistor. I should probably point those out. Whatever, finger's too big. Okay, I'll plug it in. I'll enter in the Morse code sequence of 12, then 45, then 67, then 78, then 90. This is the suppose we're playing we're inputting the temperature through Morse code through this button, and if it reads that if it reads that it is more than 70 degrees, it will turn the motor on. We seem to be having some technical difficulties right now with the Arduino software. Hold on, let me upload. Sorry for the delay. I'll put in the comments where to skip ahead to, so you don't have to waste your time. Okay, here we go. So first I'll input the Morse code of 12, which is dot dash 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 dash, and then for the second number 2 is dot dot dash dash dash. So here's dot dash 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 dot dot dash dash dash. So it's 12. Nothing happened to the motor, and yeah. Okay, let's do number 45, which is dot 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 dash dot 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 dot. So that was successful on number 45. Sorry for the shaky video. Now number 67. So this is dash dot 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 dot, and then dash dash dot dot dot. Okay. So dash dot 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 dash dash dot dot dot. And see, nothing happened. Yeah, and now 78. So this should turn on the motor over there. Yeah, so here we go. So it's going to be dash dash dot 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 dash 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 dot dot. And there you go. Make it stop. I can't. Okay, now we're going to put in 90, which is dash 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 dot dash 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 dash. Okay, now it's at 90 and it's still going strong. So now I'm just going to turn it off and set it to 0 to show that I can turn it off. So I'll set the degrees to 0. Dash 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 dash. Okay, it's off now. There you go. I'll post a link to the code in the comments of this video, and post whatever I have whatever else I have to post. Sorry for my voice, and for the shade camera. Only have two hands, and yeah, okay. Good night.